Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs or how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. Now without any further ado, let's get started. In order to delete any apps or programs, make sure that that specific app or program is not opened on your desktop. After you make that sure, now open your control panel, and in here you will see multiple menu. In there you have to click on programs. Once you click on programs, again click on programs and features, where you will be able to view all your programs. Click on there. Once you click on there, in here you will see all your programs or apps installed on your desktop. And now in here, select the program that you want to uninstall, and then in there either right click or simply click on uninstall, or else you can also go with the option at the top of that menu that says uninstall or change. Once you click on a dialog box will pop up that will ask for your confirmation again, and then again in there click on yes. Once you click on there, again you have to confirm, so simply click on OK, and then your app will get uninstalled. But sometimes you might not see some apps on your control panel. For that, go to your settings on your desktop. In here again click on your apps, and then again click on install apps from the top of the list, and here you will see all your apps installed on your laptop, and then select the app that you want to uninstall. You can either click on this three dot menu at the app and simply click on uninstall, or else you can also go in advanced option, scroll down, and then in here click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, you will be able to uninstall that apps on your desktop. So this is how you can simply uninstall any apps or program on your Windows 11. I hope this tutorial helped you. That's all for today, and make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.